Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. With freshly washed, towel-dried hair, shake the bottle so emulsifiers mix evenly. Dispense 1-2 pumps for short hair or 3-4 for longer lengths. This controls weight. Work product into your hands, then spread from mid-shaft to ends. Avoid the scalp so you don't create oiliness. Once applied, use a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly. This reduces tangles and ensures every strand gets slip, which makes detangling and styling faster and healthier. Once evenly distributed, divide hair into sections and comb downwards, starting at the ends to prevent breakage. This is how the conditioner detangles without pulling. If you plan to blow dry, set to low or medium and use a heat protectant. Leave-in offers slip but not full thermal protection. For air drying, scrunch or finger twist to enhance texture. If ends still look dry, smooth a single additional pump into the tips for targeted frizz control. And to boost shine, to finish, check for balance. If ends need a touch more moisture, add a small amount of serum or oil. Make sure to rub it between palms first. If hair feels heavy or greasy, you use too much or applied near the scalp. Next time use 20–30% less and focus on mid-lengths to ends or rinse roots. If you notice product buildup over time, clarify with a gentle clarifying shampoo every 2 to 4 weeks to reset your hair and restore natural movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.